As humans, we tend to struggle at doing things that are good for us, that are consistent and help us grow and be the best versions of ourselves. And I have a confession to make. Just because I'm a coach doesn't mean that I'm perfect. I mean, a prime example, last night, my wife's out of town. I probably spent 2 hours mindlessly scrolling on social media. When I had Thursday night football on, I probably spent maybe 10 minutes actually watching the game because I was stuck just staring at my phone. I ended up staying later than I should have because I was, oh, what's the next one? What's the next one? What's the next one? It's easy to fall into lazy habits, but I think our issue is that we're not lazy, we're just unfocused. And so I'd love to show you guys the power of consistency by doing it myself and having you come along in the journey. So I'd love to know which one of these you struggle the most with and which one you want me to tackle. And so go ahead and comment below which one resonated with you the most. First is mindless scrolling. Obviously, no explanation there. It's really easy to fall into. Second is alcohol. Man, I love me some delicious bourbon. My bourbon collection will rival most people. It's easy to get sucked into that. The third is binging shows. My wife and I really love Suits right now. We're on season like 5. Next is cutting out sugar. We're probably 5 minutes from the best ice cream place in the entire world. It's really easy to decide to go on a walk and grab a pint of ice cream, or 2, or maybe 3. Last one is consistent exercise. It's easy if you don't have something that you're striving for to kind of fall off. And that's kind of where I'm at right now. Out of all of these, which one resonated with you the most? Which one do you want me to tackle going into these next 12 weeks where we can follow along together? The best way to be able to follow along together, download the app Habit Share on your phone. And I'm going to put in the comments my link to where you can connect with me and we can go through this journey together. Once you've added me, go ahead and hit subscribe because I'm going to be posting throughout this whole journey so you can see what it's like, so you can see the challenges, the ups and the downs, and so we can do this thing together.